When I put the offer in on the house, I knew that the siding would need to be replaced pretty immediately. I bought the house in the spring and knew right away that we needed to get the siding replaced. It was chipped and the paint was coming off and it just was in rough shape. I knew I needed to hire a professional because it was just a really big job. It wasn't just like a few patches that needed replaced. It was the entire exterior, and I knew that was not a project that I wanted to take on myself. I first heard about JKC from some neighbors. So he had done 2 houses on this street previously, and they came highly recommended. The first thing that I noticed talking with Joseph was his knowledge. I knew that he'd been in the industry for a long time. From the very beginning, they were really honest about the cost, and they were just very transparent about that and never tried to pressure me or make me feel like I needed to do more than was out of my budget, and I really appreciated that. Working with them was efficient, easy, and their craftsmanship was just really beautiful and professional. If someone was unsure about whether or not they wanted to hire a professional contractor to do work like this, if it's within their budget, I would say 100% hire someone. The process was pretty straightforward and simple, and I had a great experience.